Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, something fun and summery hit the Foldfactory PO box this week, and I thought it was the perfect choice heading into a holiday weekend. So let's take a closer look. This is a really creative idea from Skokie Public Library in Skokie, Illinois. They wanted to do something fun to get kids excited about summer reading programs, so they created this shaped accordion that is micro-stepped both vertically and horizontally. Lift up the center and you can see that all panels are shaped, and that this is a stepped accordion that tapers in both directions from left and right and top and bottom. I love the bold colors and simple message and how they use alternating color to emphasize the steps. Also cool that each shaped panel is in register with the others. Now they actually did two versions of these, one with instructions and one without, for two different age groups. They were printed with 3 PMS spot colors and hit with a high gloss spot UV coating, then die cut, scored, perfed, and hand folded. Now, I mentioned there were two versions. They have about 5,000 participants in the program every year, and the version with the instructions was for the general public, and the one without was delivered with a letter for parents of younger kids in daycare programs. In that version, there's a little punch-out fish on the back, and the kids can write their names on it so the daycare provider can put their schools of fish up on the wall. So what happens to the punch-out fish area on the other version? Well, it's a little ticket for other older kids to punch out to claim their prize. So fun, and a great use of the same die for both versions. Just an awesome summer design. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.